So you worked for Bob Proctor?
4 years.
Well, so I'm going to unpack that for 1 second to my listeners, viewers. For y'all that don't know Bob Proctor, y'all need to get a life pretty much. You have to go on Google. He's probably one of the greatest men of the last probably generation. Would you agree, Matt?
I said one of the greatest minds. I have an Instagram. One of the greatest minds
Yeah.
ever.
Yes.
Ever.
So what did Bob Proctor do? So we'll go back quickly. Law of Attraction, The Secret, the book that came out about 10 years, 15 years ago. 2006. He was one of the authors / host of the video movie. One of the biggest advocates for it, right? What you see in your mind, what you visualize, repetition, do it over and over again in your mind, affirmation, all the stuff, subconscious imprinting will then come manifest in your reality, right? All that philosophy, the name for that philosophy, I'm forgetting. It's called New Age something. Okay, anyway, this philosophy,
New
it's not
Age
a religion.
thinking.
What's that? New Age thinking.
New Age thinking.
It's not a religion, right, Matt? I mean, like,
I think it's a movement. It's just a movement of awareness. It's a movement of just consciousness strengthening.
Absolutely. And so, and I know Bob Proctor he was dear to many people. Matt, before I get to Bob Proctor, what do you think about that? That people say, well, I believe in God. I should ask for God directly. Law of attraction say no. You ask in the universe. You ever thought about that whole thing with religion? And are you religious, by the way?
Yes. I grew up Catholic. I was raised Catholic, baptized. That is my background. After being exposed to the information that I have been exposed to on the level that I have, what I say to that is I believe in a higher power. Religions call it what different things, call it God, call it Allah, call it, each religion has a different belief. I won't go into it, but I believe in a higher power.
Me too.
So I will leave it. Call it God, call it imagination, call it universe.
Universe, whatever you want to call it. Yeah.
Leave that to the viewer to decide.
Okay. So the whole thing about co-creating your reality.
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting. Some people say, well, no, man, you're not co-creating. God is putting you in, God is controlling your reality. I don't agree to that 100%. I subscribe to the other one. You co-create. Of course, I put the intention, the work out there, and then God will come.
The more you study this, get into some really good authors.
Sure.
They reference the Bible, every book. I mean, some of the best books that I study to this day, they have complete Bible verses and they reference that. So it's not this or that. It's not I believe this and you believe that. It's just maybe the wording is a little bit different or how it's conveyed is a little bit different, but the concept still remains the same. So again, call it what you want, call it the viewers, you all can kind of call it what you want. I have my belief. And that's just through study, you kind of develop your perception and your belief on things.
What name some of the authors you're talking about? You have one off the top of your head, I'm sure.
Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard is likely one of the best authors. Thomas Troward, Genevieve Barant. Those are
the top. Those
are some really.
So Bob Proctor, how was he as a person?
Exactly how he is on YouTube. Exactly how he is. What you see is what you get. He was the most walk it like you talk it, down to earth, amazing individual, amazing.
No character, right? For the screen, for the gram, for YouTube. No, who he is behind the stage, he's upstage, right on stage. It's interesting.
He was like that. He was very, very like that.